how are you guys doing? It's a very special day and it's a weekend. It's Friday and we are heading to the airport. So where are we going?
Vaishno Devi.
Yes, so this is the Vaishno Devi vlog and we are heading to Vaishno Devi. This is the first time we're taking her along. We went there after we got married 5-6 years ago. It is actually my in-laws 45th anniversary tomorrow, which is why the plan, and they wanted all of us together to go and get some blessings. So little one is super excited because she's meeting her Dadi Dadu after 4-5 months and we're meeting more family. My husband's sister's coming. So yes, it's a family trip guys. Off we go! Our gate and about to board, and I'm excited because I'm going to Vaishno Devi after a really long time. So tell me who all love going to Vaishno Devi or used to go a lot in their childhood. I used to go every year with my family. So coffee and sandwich this morning. Welcome to the city of temples, okay? Jammu. Long flight, almost 3 hours, and we finally reached. And it's about a 1.5 hour drive. I want to stop and have Rajma Chawal, which is very famous here. Jammu, our Rajma na khao. So I want to have the Rajma rice from here. Very hot in Jammu. Finally reached. Taking the car to Patra. कितनी देर लगेगी? About 1 hour 15 minutes, and yes, Jai Mata Di. Jai Jai Mata Di. Too tired. Come to the famous Sardar Nandini tunnel wala. Waiting for Rajma rice guys, Jammu. So the little one finally gets to walk around. So this is Data Vaishno Dhaba. Famous paneer pakoda guys. We've grown up eating these on the way to Vaishno Devi always. This is Nandini paneer.
It's very yummy. You want to try it?
And their famous chutney. Try it. कैसा क्या है ये?
Banta.
Banta. God, I can't believe you're having banta.
Yeah, this is yummy Rajma.
Yummy Rajma rice. This is delicious. Yum Rajma rice, yummy paneer pakoda. Everything is amazing and just has a layer of desi ghee on it, which is yum. This is half portion, half each. And this is so much. One packet paneer pakoda's chutney is yum. I had a sumptuous meal, guys. There's something about Pahadon ke Rajma, and that's what I had, and it was amazing. This is the one, guys, and it was yum. So this is the White Hotel. Welcome to that's our hotel. We used to stay here ages back. Yeah. We're going to her room only, sir. That's the reception. This is the hotel, guys. I like the charm of this hotel. It's a little old, but
it looks like a house.
Yeah, it looks like a house. It does have a hut feel. She's coming, sir. Wait.
Actually, it's a beautiful view.
Yeah.
It's so view. Yes, look at
How pretty, sir.
Actually, it's stunning view, no?
The view is nice. So this is the room, guys. And this is the beautiful view.
Yeah, room's decent and only with
Room is okay. It's very cold. That's the room tour, guy. Quick room tour because the little one will not let me do much. But best part is the view of this room. Baba, it's too little. Look at my beautiful view, guys. Please, rainy clouds, go away. Where who's come?
मेरा पारू बेटा.
So guys, we've checked in and this is the beautiful view. The best part about this is the view. Look at this. It's lovely and really refreshing. Anyway, I feel like the property is slightly dated and we stayed here like 5-6 years ago, but now I think there are better properties like ITC. So I feel like the room is slightly dated, but it's okay. We hardly have to stay in the room. Tomorrow the entire day is darshan time and we'll be going, and I hope the helicopter works because it's very cloudy. Oh wow! Sir, it's so pretty.
वो देख.
Why?
इतना नीला शेड नजर आ रहा
हाँ.
है. वो सारा पैदल. और जो बीच
शहर पूल अच्छा उधर है.
पूल उधर है, हम
हाँ.
मत जाओ.
पानी बड़ा गंदा है.
नहीं वैसे ठंडा भी है वो तो, हवा भी ऐसी है ना.
Listen,
How nice.
listen. Don't go
That's our hotel, guys, and that's the view. It's beautiful, and that is where we have to go. Behind that is Vaishno Devi. That's the path.
वो देखिए वो ऊपर. हाँ ये इसके नीचे नीचे आ गई.
ये वाला?
इसके नीचे आई है. इसके नीचे. हाँ ये दो. ये नहीं पर्पल इसके नीचे.
ये वाला?
हाँ.
मिल जाएंगे आपको कलर्स.
क्या है समी मामा? इसका ना घेरा वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. पल्लू
पल्लू भी मेरे को बहुत पसंद आया.
पल्लू भी ऑल ओवर हो गया यार.
ऑल ओवर बैक और साथ में ना ये
बेज के ऊपर मरून ऐसे ऐसे.
ये नहीं.
Guys, and we're all having soup.
क्या हुआ?
Soup time, guys. After ages. I hope they know I'm reviewing the property.
प्याज क्यों डाला है?
तो बात मन में बना लो.
कोई नहीं खा लो. हमने नहीं खाया.
क्या?
प्याज. बेटा ये दो.
हाँ?
लीवर में कर
मेरे पुरान
सब्जी
दाल का है. Ready. Good morning, guys. Jai Mata Di time. We are heading to the Bhavan now. It's 9 a.m. No, it's 7:30. We're quite on time. I'm obviously very sleepy. And yes, you can see it's basically on the back side of that mountain. And we will be taking a helicopter, not walking. Though my sister-in-law and her son have gone walking. We didn't want to. Obviously, my little one is 5 years old. See, the helicopter is there, guys. Can you see? Yeah. That's how we'll be going, I hope, because it's very cloudy, and if it gets too foggy, then the helicopters don't go. So fingers crossed, I hope we get a helicopter. Otherwise, it's like a 6-hour walk, and my daughter won't be able to walk. I'm wearing a very comfy set from H&M. This is a very oversized linen shirt and a t-shirt and pants. And yes, are we ready to go? Jai Mata Di. It'll be fun. Sarah's never done helicopter. This is the helicopter terminal, ticket counter. ए दादी, सी दादी, आपने देखा हेलीकॉप्टर? राम राम। So we got the RFID registration done where they click our picture where we get this card, and now we are just showing our IDs and getting our final tickets verified so we can head to the helicopter. My little one is super excited. So we're still waiting, guys. There's a lot of rush and we're waiting for our turn for the helicopter. All our weights have been checked, bags have been checked, and everything has been done. All the formalities have been done. We are ready for Vaishno Devi. So this is Pahado ki coffee, guys. Bade time baad I'm having doodh wali milk coffee with sugar, but worth it. In the van like this to the helipad. Wow, Seher! लो सर, जय माता। चलो चलो चलो, हाँ जी। The entrance where we are waiting.
मैं अगर दर्शन के लिए कोई
जो बना सकते हो हेलीकॉप्टर,
मजा आया
हेलीकॉप्टर।
Come out of the helicopter.
Oh yeah.
अरे दिलीशा भी अब बोलना चाहिए।
जय माता दी, जय माता दी,
जय माता दी, जय माता दी।
guys. भैया कितनी देर की वॉक है?
मुझे 25 मिनट की।
25 मिनट। हम कहाँ पे हैं?
मुझे सांझी छत लोकेशन।
सांझी छत।
हेलीपैड सांझी।
So 25 minutes of walk.
उतर गया नीचे फटाफट।
Our horse is coming in case someone gets tired. Way to cover. So the various modes of transport. This is a palki. This is a horse, guys. The elders are taking a horse. You can even take a pittu. The child can come on top of these guys. They carry kids. And yeah, we're just making the payment. Let's go see the horsey. Yes, the little one doesn't want to leave her daddy. And yes, this is fun, guys. Yes, this is Vaishno Devi, divine, happy. Look at the mountains. This is obviously for the safety. This is the palki. Jai Mata Di. Kapil, this is amazing. This is nice. We'll walk with you. Hi there. Jai Mata Di.
जय माता दी बोलते हैं ना
जय माता दी।
Say bye. The little one has got on the horse, which is a big achievement, and now it's gonna be good. That's where we have to go. We're here right now. So we are walking all the way to there. We left at around 9:40. It's 10:15. I think about 1.5 kilometer more to go. Started for kids. This is the kind of trams that started for kids. Jai Mata Di. That's the Bhavan, guys. We're getting closer.
ये है ट्रॉली।
You care?
कहाँ से मिलती है ट्रॉली?
My dearest active mother-in-law chooses to walk, doesn't want to take a horse. And yes, this is the benefit when you walk every day. You can do this. Monkey van, guys. Another 2-3 minutes and we're reaching. Lachha parathas and kadai paneer that we had last night. Cardio of the day. You get amazing food here, guys.
इसके अंदर आप थोड़ी सी वो भी मिलाओ ना
This is the decoration for Navratras, guys. See? Beautiful floral decoration. स्लिपरी है थोड़ा मम्मा, ध्यान से, स्लिपरी है. Jai Mata Di, guys, darshan are done. From this point on, phones are not allowed, so I couldn't show you. I really wanted to take you guys along with me and show you. It was such a nice darshan. Usually it's a lot of rush and बहुत time लगता है. Lines होती हैं, but I realized that there was no line. And I got like a glimpse and I could stand peacefully and pray with Mata Rani for like good 2-3 minutes, and it was amazing. This is the tikka, this prasad, which is khazana, which is a coin, and some prasad. I also got this moli, which is very special, which you get here in Vaishno Devi. So only bummer is that the helicopter service is stopped because it's too foggy today and there's no visibility, so we might have to walk all the way, which is like a good 3-4 hours. Let's see, we'll first eat now. So hungry. So we'll go and eat something. Jai Mata Di.
जय माता दी
How was your darshan?
गुड वेरी नाइस
Yeah, we had a really good peaceful darshan. Oh, it's so easy. Careful. So yes, guys, now we are done.
जय माता दी
Yeah, very happy with the darshan and just feeling blessed. The negotiation for Ghoda Palki. Super hungry. Mysore masala dosa. This is not mine, guys. This is my husband's. And dahi vada. And vada. And this is the food we're eating. Oh gosh, we are famished. It's tiring now because it's all uphill. The kids are coming. The kids and my husband are going to get on a horse. Me and my husband are going to walk. It's about a 2-kilometer walk, 2.5-kilometer walk to the helipad. Not used to. Fitness levels at test. Wow! Mama, ठीक हो? ठीक है. जय माता दी. The elders and the kids have gotten on a horse and we'll be walking, guys.
बोलो जय माता दी
Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di, Dadi Dadu. Say Jai Mata Di.
जय माता दी
Too foggy. Yeah. Going back is not easy, guys. Because it's all uphill where we're coming from. So foggy. Check this out. I don't know if our helicopters will work. I don't think they will. $725 meters. Guys, there's too much fog and the helicopter service has been cancelled and we might have to walk down. Guys, we have reached the helipad and we've been here for the last 15-20 minutes. We had done that walk and reached. You can see how tired I am. Thanks to wet wipes, the washrooms are super dirty. Make sure you carry a pee safe and some wipes because all the washrooms, it's really bad, especially for the kids to use. Anyway, the helicopter service is not working because of the crazy fog right now and because of low visibility. The helicopter service has stopped. So So our option is either to wait for the sky to clear out, which seems unlikely. Most of the people have left, and you can get a refund on your helicopter tickets, or start walking back. On the horse, it's about an hour and a half at least. Takes a toll on your back. My builders, of course, we have to do the palki and the horses, which is going to be a tough time because we've come up and the horse and all are also down. Thank God, at least the weather supported us to reach and do the darshan. That is most important. Mata Rani at least let us come. Now let's see how we go back. Everyone waiting. Obviously, for the elders, it's even tougher. And that's the fog. There is literally no visibility.
Yes, I want this.
Cookie and coffee. Happy anniversary. कितने साल हो गए शादी? 45. अच्छा सीक्रेट बताओ हैप्पी मैरिज का.
दूसरे को समझना
लड़के के बाल खराब हो गए.
Guys, 45 years and this trip was because it was their my in-laws 45th anniversary. In my clothes, guys, wearing a jacket. It is foggy, no helicopter service, and we are walking now to get back. And on horses because helicopter is not working. So we're finally walking back, and I've changed up, of course, because I wanted to be in my comfy joggers. And कितना किलोमीटर है अब?
10 किलोमीटर.
10.5 kilometers of walk, guys. All set. My little one with her daddy walking down. Look at the view. So cloudy. Kilometer walk begins. Look at horse shit all along the way. Oh my God, guys, look at the fog. You're literally inside the clouds, no visibility. See how the 10-kilometer walk goes. I am really not sure, but we'll manage it somehow. Guys, we are back in the room, freshened up. We were so tired. I just got out of a hot shower, and finally, Jai Mata Di, darshan are done. On our way back, it was difficult. Why difficult? Because obviously we planned the helicopter and the helicopter didn't go, and because of the weather, and half the way we walked and the rest of the way as I showed you guys. But all's well that ends well. It was a beautiful darshan, and heart is full. Very, very happy with the whole trip. And yes, it comes to an end. It is actually my in-laws' anniversary, so we'll be cutting the cake, have dinner, and everyone's very tired. Our feet are hurting, so we'll sleep. Tomorrow we have a flight back to Bombay, of course. So we'll drive to Jammu and then take a flight from Jammu to Bombay. Short and sweet trip to Vaishno Devi comes to an end. Just had soup, relaxed a bit, and heading to the nearest local market, Katra market, because I want to take prasad for everyone. We did take prasad from up there, but because it was raining so much, we couldn't stop anywhere that time. Prasad places. I'll show you.
125 है, 20% लेस है, 100 का पड़ेगा. ये कश्मीरी प्रिंट में.
अच्छा.
ठीक है ना.
3 पीस देखो है तो.
दो ही पड़ेगा.
Just picking up some souvenirs and Mata Rani stuff for staff in my house and everyone. And this is the kind of shops you have. So I picked up these bangles and stoles and these necklaces.
पनीर टिक्का मसाला पराठा ही खा, तू मत खा चाइनीज वैसे.
लाल मिर्च के पराठे.
Mama, Papa, happy anniversary to you. Good morning, guys. We are checking out from our hotel and the kids are having breakfast. And that's it. Huh? Go more, put more. Saif, quickly finish. So this is the breakfast area. I've put some idli and puri for the kids.
जिनके हृदय पर आपका नाम लिखा हुआ है और जिसे आपने फिर
That's the end of our trip, guys. So bye. This is the end of the divine trip of Vaishno Devi. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and Jai Mata Di. God bless you all.